Howdy. In this video, I will teach you all how to wire a 12-volt free prong. My tongue is a bit heavy. This switch, I have a video or a couple of videos on them, how to wire them, but I think some people are getting it wrong, so I'll try to demonstrate another way of wiring. On the switch right here, it has 12 amps, 12 volts DC. I won't be using a fuse in this demonstration, but when you are connecting your switch, make sure to check if it's a light, a fan, or whatever you're using. Check the amperage of that and put a fuse not higher than what you're using, but lower. With all that said, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and any comments you have, put them in the comment description below. With that said, this is the free prong switch. This is the silver or gold end. Let me see. The silver or gold end. That's to the top. That is the negative. The center pin is positive from the battery. Now, you could connect it any way the light will light, but you are bound to get your whatever you're connecting to work. The one at the bottom is to go to your load. Now, I have this as the load from the vehicle, or I have this as a vehicle. Your battery would be connected to that, to the body of your vehicle. The negative would connect to the body of your vehicle. Now, from the body of your vehicle, the negative would go to the top of the switch, like this. The positive on your battery would go to the center pin. Now, once you have it this way, you see the light is on. You put it off. Now, to go to your load, this is from your load, the ground or negative from your load. It would be connected to the ground of your vehicle. This is the positive end from your load. It would be connected to the light, this to the bottom one, like this. Then you put on your switch You see, everything is on. If you disconnect the bottom one to the light would stay on because you have the ground and the positive connect on it. Now, if you doing that, you would check the amperage of your light and you would connect the fuse on this one here going to your load. Whatever load you'll be having, you'd connect your fuse and then you would connect this on the fuse. So if anything happened, the fuse would burn. Now, the other thing about these connections, make sure that they are tight. They are not slack. Make sure they are tight. If they are slack, they would heat up this and it would melt. And it might even spark or catch a fire. The other thing is, make sure you have the thickness of the wire is the right thickness to whatever you're connecting. This is it for this video. If you find it was educational, please like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye and thank you.